Hi folks, here is an update, long overdue, of the grossest camper repair. And this, I finally got the roof off with the help of my neighbor. Otherwise I would have used this little contraption as an extra set of hands to get it off, because it's not that heavy. It's just, you know, kind of unwieldy. But this, God, every time I put my hands on this camper, I want to take a shower. But one of these days I will also figure that when I don't have that feeling again, I will have made some progress. And this, believe it or not, is 3 layers of yuck already taken off of this failed patching of what maybe was, I don't know if that was a vent or an air conditioning. I'm guessing it was a vent because I don't see any mounting holes, or there's plenty of other holes, but nothing officially supposed to be there. So, but this is just, yeah. I mean, it's just beyond, it's like a horror movie set. It's gross. I mean, I've worked on stuff like that, and this is even grosser than I could make as a set artist. But it also goes to show that, once again, never, infinity ever, put paint or any kind of sealer on top of dirt, because it doesn't matter how space age wonderful it is, it's still not going to stick. Yuck. Well, at least I've finally overcome my analysis paralysis and stepped off the X, and I'm back to work on this, so hopefully I will maybe get it finished. Thanks for watching.